Okay, so hello, this is my voice again. So I sound like this, but I am not very good at speaking English because those who don't know, I am Finnish boy. But yeah, today we are going to play Extreme Motorbikes. I have played this myself before, but now I just take the fastest motorbike that I have. And sorry for my American watchers, I don't know what that is, but here there are kilometers because I am European, if you didn't know, but I don't really know how to say kilometer. Is it kilometer? So I say just that, but polices, they are really weird. If you drive to them over 120 kilometers per hour or crash to them, they will go after you. But yeah, here I now fly and oops, I'm gonna show you how police get after me. Yeah, sorry when I mumble because I don't really know how to speak English. I'm not that good, but I got of my in my report card A plus. No A plus, A or 10, which is in here in Europe, and for you American watchers, it's A. Yeah, no A plus because we can't get A pluses or 10 pluses. But yeah. Here I show you how I can wheelie with this bike very much because when I wheelie too much I fly off the bike. Yeah, and I can do very long videos because when I edit this it can't be too long or my phone can't put it in YouTube or yeah, but I am doing videos with phone. I want a laptop, a gaming laptop, because my dad has a MacBook Pro. I have tried like Minecraft in it, but it doesn't work. And yeah, but oh shoot, I crashed into the wall, and that cut in the start. I fought in that, but I just tested the cut because bye bye. But still.